And the project is due Monday.
Okay, so today is Wednesday, midterm week here. So we'll spend maybe 20 minutes doing some review, mainly playing Jeopardy. We'll see how long that goes. And then we'll let you work on your projects. So remember, on Friday, we'll take the midterm exam. So that's a lot of short answer and simple questions there. And so there, you won't be creating an app, but you might be asked to look at some blocks from App Inventor and explain what they do or ask questions about them there. And then there's a fair amount of vocabulary, and so that might require you to do some review because, again, we haven't been stressing the vocabulary as much in this class. We've been talking about it, and sometimes you just see that, you pick up that, but maybe there's terms you did not see or stuff. Another thing you should be looking at is doing the self-check exercises there. There are 10 points assigned to each self-check, so each unit for the self-check exercises in that unit. And you have to do 2 out of every 3 to get your 10 points. I updated them once this past weekend. I'll update them again probably this next weekend or maybe before the final. We'll see. And then I'll keep updating them until the end of the semester, so Christmas. So we can keep doing, when we prepare for the finals, you can go back and do the self-check again, or you can't jump if you still aren't at 10 points for all the units there. Generally, like if it comes to be like a week left in class and a student realizes they're at 89%, instead of 93% or even 91%, wherever they want to be, then they'll go back and do the self-checks to enough to get you to the point where you get the grade you want on this. So keep that in mind. So we're going to look at the midterm study guide here. There's all the vocabulary questions you can review. There's also these little Quizlet questions. And there's some for different chapters here. These aren't bad. These are just little flashcard sort of stuff. So, data sent back and forth from a programmer to a device that can be tactile, and you can click on it and see what these are. And it just gives you a quick way to remind yourself of the definitions of some of these words. So feel free to do the Quizlet stuff. We're going to do Jeopardy. So this is actually a PowerPoint to get, so I have to actually download this. So I've downloaded this to PowerPoint here, and we're going to play. We're going to do Team Jeopardy. So we're going to do kind of left side versus right side here. So we'll do this side versus this side. Okay, so I think we have 4, we'll have 5 on this side. So you are technically on that side. Okay, so you want to get together and vote, or if you just want to call out an answer, or if see how it goes, we'll see which side wins here. So let's see if I can get this to run. Let's see. I know. I don't know why my sound isn't going. Oh, here. Theme. I'm not hearing my sound. I'm very sad. Okay, I gotta look at the sound. Okay, so here's our categories. Mobile apps. Unit 2, Unit 3 is graphics and images. Unit 4 is animations and simulations. Blown to bits are some of from those chapters. And then programming and app inventor is our last unit. And then there's a grab bag, I guess. Okay, so we'll have left side. Yeah, pick what question do you want? I assume you've all played Jeopardy before. You have to say what category and what amount you want to try.
I agree.
Yep. Yes. What do you want? What questions do we have? Left side has control. Okay, where are we at?
Unit 200.
Unit 2 for 100. Where the program is controlled by various events, such as a button click. So now anyone can answer this to take control of this sort of stuff. Okay. So you have to buzz. Say buzz.
Buzz.
Okay. Good guess, but wrong. And you also did not phrase it in terms of a question. This is Jeopardy. It would be, what is user interface? So in this case, what is event programming? There. Okay. I am really sad that, wait, I'm going to check my sound again. I'm just really sad that my sound is not working. I don't know why.
Yeah. Oh, why? Because we have theme music timer.
Yeah.
Your blue is silent.
I don't know why my music isn't going. So here, I'll try. Oh, well, we won't. We might have to just play without the music. Sorry. Okay. I thought it should mark that as done. I think something got goofed up with where we uploaded this to Google Slides and then back down. I think something got mixed up. Okay. Let's do, so you lost, right side has to pick a category and amount. You just pick someone, pick some amount and some category.
Okay, I guess I'll do grab bag, 300.
Grab bag for 300. A general representation for something that extracts common features from specific examples in order to generalize concepts.
What is abstract?
Yes, thank you. Oh, you almost lost that.
They didn't buzz.
Right, they didn't buzz. No, your teammate caught you, even though you
still didn't say buzz.
Yes. So, well, they yelled out the answer. That will allow that. So, okay. Oops. All right. Since you got that, pick another one.
Unit 3 for 200.
Unit 3 for 200. The number of transistors per square inch on an integrated circuit has doubled every year since the integrated circuit was invented. Nope. Is it a term? More like a law? This is called Moore's law. Okay. Oops. We have to go back home. Okay.
I've memorized it.
Yep. All right, left side. Pick your amount and category.
Let's do.
So Mateo, we're putting you're on the right side team if you didn't figure that out.
Right.
So you're with that group, not on the left side.
Let's
Because
do
they
one unique. Let's do blow the bits 500.
blown to bits are 500.
That's grab bag. Oh no.
Oh wait, did I do? Oh, okay. In App Inventor, this component is used to hold image sprites and draw on the screen.
Buzz,
Buzz, yes.
DB.
Any BB?
What?
Is it any
Yeah,
What is a tiny?
yeah, what is tiny? Nope. Okay, other group on a seal? Okay. Okay, what do you want?
Let's do blow the bits for 500.
Okay, blow it. I'll try to click on the right one this time. A blend of English and code used to write down an algorithm or a program. Okay? What? Yeah. Oh, yep. Okay.
Yeah. Let's do unit 4 for 500.
Okay. The operator that gives the remainder when one number is divided by another. Yep.
What it was math?
No, what is mod? Mod operator. All right. So since you lost, I'm gonna pick programming for 100. Yep.
What are blocks?
He raised his hand. It's not buzzing, but that was the right answer. Okay. What is a block? Okay. Oops. Okay. Right side, we're gonna give you control still. Mateo, we're gonna get you in there. You have to pick a category and an amount. Okay. Term for programs such as apps. Yep. Yep. Oops, I shouldn't click so fast. Good job. Okay, you have control.
Let's do unit 2 for 400.
Unit 2 for 400. A number that is that uses only 2 digits, 0 and 1. Yep.
Binary code.
What is binary number? We'll give that to you, I think. That's close enough. Okay. Pick a
Okay.
category and amount. A physical component that makes up the computer, such as a keyboard or a processor board.
Hardware.
Yes. If only you had put it in terms of a question, you would have gotten the points. Yes. What is hardware? So you lost control. It goes over to the other team.
Can we do grab bag for 400?
Grab bag for 400. The purple block is an example of this type of block. Yes. Okay.
Can we do grab bag for 300?
General representation of something that extracts common features from a specific example and generalizes the concept. Yeah, you remember what the answer was? Buzz?
What is an abstraction?
Yes, what is abstraction? So, all right, we'll give you control now because you.
What? Do you guys want to pick one?
They're blown to bits 500.
Blown to bits for 500. We did that. 400 maybe? An early code that for representing English as characters, English characters as numbers. Buzz? Correct. or ASCII code. It's good enough. That's good. That's okay. ASCII is good. Okay. Okay, we'll do two more and then we'll do Final Jeopardy. So you get one more. What's the length of this list? Yes? All right. Last question before we do Final Jeopardy.
I only done unit 3 to 500.
Okay. A compression algorithm that represents an image in terms of the length of runs of identical pixels. What is running length encoding? Okay. Okay, we'll do our Final Jeopardy question. Okay. In App Inventor, this sensor can be used to find your location or latitude and longitude. So, okay, you're actually, it's Final Jeopardy. So everyone's supposed to think, both teams supposed to think of their answers. So you have your answer?
I think.
Okay, you have your answer? Okay, what is your answer? Compass. What is the other team's answer?
What is GPS?
Yes, GPS. Okay. That's our fun review for today. Thanks for playing. Okay, so again, keep working on your vocab and work on your projects now. Projects are due on Monday. If you're not on a team, we need to figure out what team you'll be on. I think teams are on here. So, yeah. All right. I'm gonna stop. Just pause this recording now.